Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Strava. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Strava app and we click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.